Today we're going to be doing a tier list on the Xbox 360 profile pictures. These are one of the most iconic pictures in gaming history, in my opinion. These aren't all the profile pictures. Obviously, there's like tons of the more recent and more modern pictures that they came out with, but these are just going to be the OG ones that I think really matter. So as you can see in front of us, we have 12 of the most popular profile pictures out there. I'm going from S through D. We're going to go ahead and get started. This was my personal favorite profile picture, which was the Burning Skull profile picture. This thing was iconic. I think it's an easy S tier without a doubt. We also got to give an S tier to Mr. Panda here. I never rocked Mr. Panda, but I do know a lot of people that did, and I feel like it was very well respected among all of them out there. And this one, you definitely had some, I feel like these were where the tryhards had the little panda profile picture, and they definitely had some game. So I got to give that S tier. Those are honestly my two favorite. I think we're gonna put Mr. Bubblegum guy in high A tier. I think it's as high as A tier as you can get. Sometimes you can go into S tier depending on the person, but I think A tier is a decent spot for him. We also got to give an A tier to the dragon. This was my very first profile picture of all of them. It's okay. I think these other two clear it, as well as Mr. Bubblegum. So we're going to put that in A tier right there. Try to keep it nice and diverse as well. We got to give the dog as well to A tier. I feel like this guy, he was the one that you got just given to you whenever you made a profile picture, and these type of people, they don't really care about the profile picture, so they just kind of left it as is. I feel like that's what most of the people that were rocking the dog were, they kind of acted like that, so I'm giving them a high A tier. Still really solid profile picture, but compared to the others, I'm picking all these four way over the dog. That's wrapping up the A tier for me. I don't think any of the other ones deserve A tier in my opinion, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to B tier. I think Monkey is a solid high B tier option. I don't love the monkey profile picture, but it's still really solid. I know it was pretty popular. And second to the B tier, I'm gonna put the soccer ball. Not a sports guy, honestly, and I don't know. It's just kind of basic. I think all these other ones have much more stuff going on with them. So a soccer ball is cool, but you know, it's just not my favorite. We also have the smiley face. I think smiley face is also a decent B tier, but I just didn't see him being rocked too much because a lot of the other ones were much better. Moving on to C tier, we got to give it to the guy that's smiling. I don't really like this one at all, honestly. I just don't see the appeal to it. All these other ones clear it by far. We also got to give Mr. Creeper. I'm a big Minecraft guy, by the way, guys. For some reason though, I don't remember the Minecraft Creeper being a very popular or relevant profile picture back in the day. So I'm gonna give it C tier. I think if it was more OG, I think it would have been higher up on the list, but I just don't consider it one of the GOATs. And lastly, for the D tier, we got to move these two into the D tier category. I hate the pirate. I just don't, it just, of all of them, it's objectively the worst one. It doesn't look good. It's kind of annoying. I don't know. It makes me mad looking at it. And then we got the little waifu girly with fox ears. I honestly didn't really see many people rocking that. I think nowadays, I would have seen a lot more people rocking this one if you had to pick between all of these, but compared to the other ones, she just doesn't clear. And obviously I played with a bunch of dudes back in the day, still do, so this just wasn't that popular. A lot of other people picked, you know, the ones in the top like 8 here. So I think this is a really well-balanced and well-distributed tier list. Let me know what you think about my tier list down below. This is how I would do my personal tier list. I know this is a hot topic, or it has been over the years. I just wanted to make this video because I've seen so many of these tier lists online, and I just feel like I had to put my take and my opinion into it because it's a pretty hot debated topic on which one is the best. So thanks for watching the NFL Did, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.